Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to repost someone else's story to your own. So first, go to your Instagram app, and then as you can see at the top of your screen, you can see your friend's story. Now here, you can actually repost the story. So how can we repost someone's story to your own? Here's the first method. So first, you go to your friend's page. Now as you can see the post, tap the three dots at the top right. Now tap the paper plane. Then as you can see, add post to your story. Now you can add post to your own story. Now the second method that I want you to do is go back to your home page. And then go back to the story. And then screenshot. Take a screenshot. And then crop a little bit. Then from here, you can use that screenshot to post your own story. So go to your Reels. So add to story. Then here it goes. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you for the next video.